How to upload 4K videos on TikTok without losing quality, full guide. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and creator guides. If you want to upload 4K videos on TikTok without losing quality, follow these steps carefully. First, make sure your video is exported in 4K resolution. Use a resolution of 3840 x 2160 high bitrate and the H.264 or H.265 format for best results. Next, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon to upload your video. Before posting, tap More Options or Advanced Settings. Now, turn on Upload HD or Allow High-Quality Uploads. This step is very important. Without it, TikTok will compress your video heavily. After that, use a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Uploading over mobile data often reduces video quality due to compression. Avoid adding heavy filters, effects, or stickers. These can force TikTok to recompress your video and lower the quality. Also, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Older versions may not support high-quality uploads properly. Important truth. Even if you upload in 4K, TikTok may still downscale videos to 1080p for most viewers. However, following these steps ensures the highest possible quality after compression. Best export settings recommended. Resolution 4K 3840 x 2160. Frame rate 30 or 60 FPS. Bitrate high. Format MP4 H.264/H.265. Final summary. Export in 4K, enable HD upload, use Wi-Fi, avoid heavy effects, update TikTok. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment 4K uploaded below.